How to add money to Venmo from bank account mobile. Hi, in this guide, I'll show you how to easily add money to your Venmo account using a linked bank account on your mobile device. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before proceeding. Tap the Me tab by selecting your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your personal wallet view. Next, under your Venmo balance, you'll see a button labeled Manage Balance. You need to tap this to continue. A menu will appear, and from here, choose the option Add Money to begin transferring funds. Enter the amount you want to add to your Venmo balance, and then select the linked bank account you wish to transfer from. Carefully review your transfer details, and if everything looks correct, tap Add Money to confirm the transaction. Your money should arrive in your Venmo balance within 3 to 5 business days. So, keep an eye on your transaction history for updates.